Hey, this is my first outside video. Isn't incoming. All the way across. I gotta find the best place to see the sun in the morning. I'll get better at this. There's that incoming. Right there. Going right over. Still heading. Pretty cloudy, but you can still see some things. That one right there is huge. Look at that, goes all the way across the sky. Just keeps on going. I get these every day. Every day. There's no flight path here. I'm in the boonies, and there it is. That's gonna clear up for me. Yeah, there it goes. Looks like there's one above it too. Need to get a better vantage point. There we go. Yeah, a little better point. Kind of cloudy today, but I'll get better. See, I haven't been doing any videos because YouTube basically banned me. So over a year later, all of a sudden all my strikes are gone and I can post again. Look at that. I don't know how Pies does this. That's some cool shit right there. If I can zoom in on it. Yeah. I'll get used to this, folks. But there's that incoming trail. And before, you just followed over. It's still going. Getting covered up by the lower clouds, but that's a mess there. Like Pies always said, I wait for the Lord to show me something. He got him to let me do videos again. Okay, I'm going to sign off this video. You all have a blessed day.